I was sent this camera tripod to test it out and give my honest opinion about it. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box, check it all out, and see how well it works. All right, so out of the box you have the tripod here. You have a phone mount that allows you to slide this thing open so it can mount a phone to it, to the tripod. It comes with a remote shutter device. It comes with a manual and information about the remote shutter device. And then it comes with a little card with a QR code on it that lets you bring this up on the Transparency app to get more information about it. So one of the things about this tripod that's really cool, at least to me, is that it's not just a standard tripod. Once you set this thing up, if you need a monopod or a selfie stick, this converts by pulling apart and is a tripod in one setting and a monopod or a selfie stick in another setting. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you both. All right, so the first thing is this tripod can be really tall. I mean, I'm assuming that's about 6 feet tall. And that's because it has 5 levels to it. So you've got the very bottom level, then you can expand it another, and another, and another, and another. So that is its height adjustments as a tripod. The bottom can also adjust, so it can be expanded out wider or thinner just by moving the adjustment and pulling the legs in and out. And then of course, you can make this into a monopod or a selfie stick, which we'll do now. So to convert this tripod into a monopod or selfie stick, you basically just unlock the legs. So here, by twisting this portion here, you can lock or unlock the legs and let them move, as you can see here. So now I have these legs unlocked. They were in the locked position on the tripod. And then down here is a twist bolt or screw that you would untwist, and it allows this whole bottom leg section to come off. I'm gonna do that now. So I took this bolt here out, and it allows you to pull the feet of the tripod off. And now this little screw in becomes the foot of the monopod. And then of course, it's very lightweight, so you can also use it as a selfie stick. So now you can see I have the selfie stick here. The legs are there on the ground. And as you can see, I've got all of the bands open because this can be really, really long. Now, of course, you wouldn't need a selfie stick that long, but you may need a monopod that long. And I don't know, maybe you want a selfie stick that long, but that is a very long selfie stick. That is awesome that it's a convertible tripod, so that gives you basically all the functionality you need out of one device. I'm gonna test out the head and the phone adapter that it comes with. So the head on this tripod is full featured. It gives you the ability to move the top head. It lets it go back and forth this way, and then of course it can rotate 360 degrees. So it's a full featured tripod head. It's got the standard tripod to camera mount here, which is what is used to mount the cell phone camera mount. And this basically moves in and out to allow you to put the tripod on it. Both ends of this move in and out, as you can see here, to accommodate a much larger than normal phone. So there's that. And then the next thing is this shutter remote. So you basically just turn this on, you pair this to your phone after it's turned on, and then you've got the shutter features here. Now refer to the manual. There are some special features with different phones. It talks about the Samsung phones and how these buttons may operate slightly different based upon what phone you have, but this thing seems to work great. And it's awesome that it just comes with it. So you don't have to go and buy this separately. This actually comes with the tripod. So this is basically a little kit all in one. Everything you need to start getting more stabilized video and better self-portraits, selfies, all that kind of stuff in a nice, very lightweight tripod. It's heavy enough to be stable, but light enough to where you probably wouldn't even notice it's in your camera bag or in any travel bag that you have with you. So far, yeah, I'm giving this thing a thumbs up. This is pretty nice. It's probably gonna replace the tripod I have currently in my travel bag. I do also want to note on this camera mount here that not only does it mount to the standard tripod screw that's right here, but it also has one here on the side, so you can mount it from the back right here, or you can mount it from the bottom here. And it has another type of mount here in case you run into this. I'm not exactly sure what this mount here is for, but it almost looks like a camera shoe, but I'm not really sure. So this may allow you to mount, like, let's say a light or something like that on the top, but it does have the standard screw in here and here to allow you to move this camera mount any way you want. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. If it was, would you please give me a thumbs up? If you haven't already done so, if you would subscribe to our channel, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.